Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how to harvest your cabbage so you can get a second crop. Here's a clip from the show. So this guy here, he is firm, he's hard, he's ready to go. So I want to harvest this one today. I am so excited for this. I'm a bit of a cabbage fiend. Coleslaw. A coleslaw with dill pickles and fresh dill. That is like my absolute favorite salad. So we got the fresh dill, now we got the cabbage, and I had made pickles last year, so we still have pickles, so we're ready to go. So what I'm doing is just taking this knife and I'm cutting clear down here at the base of this plant. And it is big. There we go. Timber. All right, so we cut across that there. Now, if you look at this plant, in all these leaf joints will come some new little baby cabbages, so we'll actually get a second crop. So what I'm going to do is just take those leaves off, and I already see right here that little bitty bud right there. That's a little baby cabbage getting started. So we're going to leave this and let it make a second crop. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 9, Week 12. If you'd like to follow the cabbage plants all season long, go ahead and enroll in the High Performance Garden Show. It's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.